All right, guys, so it looks like our Lawnmaster robotic lawnmower has arrived. If you guys don't know me, my name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and I'm testing this product out specifically for my patients that have had total knee replacement or knee surgeries so that they can continue to maintain the quality of their yards while they're recovering from knee surgery. Let's check it out. So the delivery guy dropped it off. So this is a robotic lawn mowing machine that I purchased with the intent of seeing if it'll work for my patients who just had knee surgery. Here comes Tucker. Tucker, let's see what we've got. Now, I have never used a robotic lawnmower, but I have a very close neighbor and good friend who has one. He loves it. The good folks at Lawnmaster were kind enough to let me test this product out because they knew that I had patients that undergo knee surgery and they need help maintaining their yards when they're recovering from surgery. So let me show you what's inside the box. This looks beautiful. What you can see here is what is packaged. Let's see if we can get some of this out. I'm guessing this is a magnetic guide to help mark off certain areas of the yard. We've got our user's manual, operator's manual, AccuMow by Lawnmaster. Here is the charger. My guess is this is the battery. It's a surprisingly small battery. We have a little bit of hardware in here. Let's get, so these are the stakes that are likely used to mark off the barriers. Now in my yard, I actually have a fence that surrounds the full yard. So I should not have any problems with barriers. I've got a large slab, the fence goes all the way around. The device is remarkably light. So let me prop this phone and then I'll go ahead and get it out and keep recording. So I'll look up the specifications, but like I said, this is incredibly lightweight. My guess is probably somewhere around 20-25 pounds. We've got the charging unit. We've got the battery. I don't know if there's any juice in the battery. Let's see what happens if we just go ahead and plug the battery straight into the unit right out of the box. Let me show you guys. That is amazing that those blades are enough to cut the grass. So these are the blades that will spin around to cut the grass. Here is the camera that will sense changes in texture and surfaces, keep it. It follows a semi-random cutting pattern. You can see on top, we have some different heights, 2.5 inches being the tallest. That's what it's set to by default. Let's see what we can do. Okay, locking the mower. Press and hold the spiral mow button. security setting button 2. And start and stop button simultaneously for 3 seconds. There it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in the box. And it's off. Let's see how it does. So, although overall impressions, I think it's going to be a useful device for some of my patients that have had mobility issues, maybe some of my aging patients or patients that had knee replacement surgery and aren't able to get out into the yard and cut the grass. For the durability that I've seen so far, the battery life, its ability to move around independently throughout the day, I think it's a great option. I'll continue to use the machine over the next couple weeks to see how it holds up to multiple use, but on a first time unboxing, I think we've got a winner here. So if you guys have any questions, absolutely let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the follow-up video once I've used the machine for several weeks to let you know how it's doing on a day-to-day basis. Thanks a lot.